world where speed reigns supreme, where power propels us forward with unmatched intensity. One unsung hero stands between man and catastrophe. Brakes. Not just any brakes, but the silent sentinels that guard the safety of every journey. Without them, we teeter on the edge of chaos. Enter the world of disc brakes, the epitome of engineering brilliance. With every press of the pedal, a hydraulic force is unleashed, pressing brake pads against the spinning rotor. Friction ignites, slowing, controlling, harnessing the raw power of motion. But what makes disc brakes the favored choice of modern vehicles? Precision, power, performance. Disc brakes are warriors in the battle against heat. Exposed to the elements, they cool quickly, never letting the friction burn them out. Even in the heart of high-performance racing, where temperatures soar, they remain steadfast, unyielding. This is why they dominate the front wheels of most vehicles, ensuring consistent stopping power when the stakes are highest. Yet in the shadows of disc brakes lies another unsung hero, the drum brake. Often underestimated, this system operates within an enclosed world, shielding itself from the unforgiving elements. While disc brakes shed water and dirt with ease, drum brakes stand firm. Their robust design impervious to contamination, making them the perfect ally for off-road adventures and heavy-duty work. The drum brake thrives where durability is key. Trucks, SUVs, and heavy haulers rely on them. Their design allows for thicker, more resilient components built to endure the rigors of constant wear and tear. Where raw power is needed, drum brakes endure. Friction. It's the force that both systems harness, but in very different ways. Disc brakes create friction by pressing pads against an exposed rotor, allowing heat to escape. Drum brakes, on the other hand, generate friction by pressing shoes outward against the enclosed drum. One system breathes in the open air, the other thrives in its own contained world. Both serve a purpose. Both play a role. But, as with all heroes, the true test lies in their longevity. Disc brakes with their open design allow for easy maintenance. A quick visual check, a simple pad replacement, and they're back in action. Drum brakes, however, demand patience. Hidden away, they require more time, more effort to service. Yet when maintained, they offer unmatched durability, lasting far longer than their disc counterparts in the harshest of conditions. So which reigns supreme? Disc or drum? It's not a simple question of superiority, but rather a question of need. For the high-speed chases, the precision turns, and the stop-and-go chaos of urban life, disc brakes stand unmatched. But for those rugged terrains, heavy hauls, and unpredictable conditions, drum brakes offer the strength and resilience to keep going. In the end, the choice is yours. The journey is yours. Whether you rely on the precision of disc brakes or the endurance of drum brakes, one thing is certain: your safety lies in their hands. Treat them well, maintain them, trust them. Because in the world of automotive safety, brakes aren't just a system, they're your lifeline. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of disc and drum brakes. Subscribe for more insights into the systems that move us, and stay safe on the road.